spending some quality time with Dad. And no, Dad is showing them his teeth. Sometimes he can be a little bit irritated with them. But he cares and he loves them. Now look at these two rough it out and play with each other. I'm sure much like you play with your siblings. Oh, hope you don't kick your siblings in the face, though. Very, very cute. Ooh. Let's watch. Oh, bad idea, Cubby. Bad idea. Blondie has not been in a good mood. Ooh, I'm almost waiting for the reaction. No. No. Oh, yes, that's exactly what Blondie wants, a second cub to now come and join in. Listen, listen. He's actually growling. It's a little bit difficult. This cub is getting a little bit brave now because before it was jumping away. Stop it, you're irritating Dad. Oh, let me irritate Dad too. Oh, boys. About them. No, Cubby. Just watching carefully. Oh yeah, let me give Dad some love and groom him. Let's both do it. Let's try and butter him up. He seems to be enjoying that. He might fall right onto you, Cubby. Oh, you too, you should be paid for the entertainment today. So cool. Now I was telling all this play is what develops that intelligence. Look at this, learning how to suss each other out. Learning how to decide what intelligence. So with this experiment, they had these 12 lions and 7 of them, out of just learning. Oh, are you awake? You awake? Can we play with you instead since you're less grumpy for once? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, you two? I can't even have science talk when you two are playing like this. I'm so surprised that Mohawk is behaving much better than Blondie to them. And then they should normalize. Why are you not getting it? Leave me alone.